Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Clinton County in northern New York, northern Franklin County in northern New York, northeastern St. Lawrence County in northern New York until 9:15 p.m. At 8:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Messina Village, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Churubusco, Ellenberg Depot, Brasher, Westville, Fort Covington Center, Messina Village, South Bombay, Louisville, Brasher Center, Chateaugay, Fort Covington, St. Lawrence State Park, Aquasasam Mohawk Territory, Ironton, Messina International Airport, Richards Field, Bombay, Raquette River, Helena, and Earlville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm systems. The attention signals you just heard will automatically activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, but may be postponed if there is a threat of severe weather. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will normally vary with distance from the transmitter. This may occur even if you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. We now return to normal broadcasting. Thank you.
Excuse this interruption. WBTZ and WIZN Radio need to relay this emergency alert system message.
Weather service forecast for the northern Adirondacks, which includes Lake Placid, Saranac Lake, Tupper Lake, and Santa Mora. Rest of today,
The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for all of Vermont beginning at 2:06 p.m. and ending at 4:06 p.m. Test and alert notification. This is a test. Test was taken from Teston, Vermont. Victim is a test-year-old victim. Race and is tested.